Hey everybody, this is IG and we're back once again testing some great Basenor products. Right now, today we're going to take a peek at the Basenor Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y armrest storage box organizer. We'll compare the actual one that comes OEM with Tesla to this one and show you the differences. These are good from model year 2016 through 2021. Available on Amazon and Basenor.com for $19.99. So first of all, we're going to just quickly unbox, and what you see here, very simple. Comes in a regular box, plastic, and what we've got here is something that looks very similar to the OEM version, except that there are compartments to it, which is really, really nice. Plus, there is the 12-volt adapter, 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter or adapter hole that the OEM does not come with. So when we take a look at them, we're going to compare. There's my mess right now. Really no compartments per se. And then we're going to organize it into this. And let's see how it works, and let's see if we can plug an adapter in as well. Okay, everybody, what we did was we swapped out the old OEM version for the new one. It's a perfect fit. And then we also plugged in the adapter, the 12-volt adapter. We'll show you that works perfectly fine. One thing to make note of, though, the hole is very large, which is great. In the rare occurrence that you do have one of these, that is a 12-volt adapter that's very wide, you may have a problem fitting it through that hole. I did with my radar detector. But in most cases, these are going to be perfectly round and you'll have plenty of space. So that's just an FYI. And now what we're going to do is just load everything in. And it's nice to have this section right there. A lot of garbage here, but it's going to be nice and organized. We go like this. We go like this. Pop some pens in there. We got this guy that we're going to leave at one of the supercharger stations. And we are good to go. The only thing is we would just plug this baby into there, or however we want to do it, whatever device we're using. And I tested it and it works just great. So that's that. And as you can see, perfect close. And we're good to go. Basenor. Available on Basenor for $19.99 or Amazon.com. Enjoy. Go get it.